Hey there, it's Lauren Messiah, and for today's video, we've got a fashion question. Hip hip hooray. Today's fashion question is, Lauren, how do you make all black outfits more interesting? Well, as a person who loves to wear a lot of black, I think this is a fantastic question. So let's just dive right in with the tips. Tip number one, have fun with different textures and materials in your all black outfit. So just black jeans and a black t-shirt, it's not that interesting. There's not too much of a difference in materials. And if you're wearing like black on black, like I've got a gray on grayish black here, if you're wearing black on black, the colors will look a little bit off. So you want to play with some different textures and materials. So maybe you have on black skinny jeans and a black sweater. So we're doing a big difference in the materials. And then over top of it, we put a black leather jacket. So we've got all these different textures and fabrications in one look. So it's going to give some depth. It's going to give, different things for your eye to look at. And therefore the outfit will be more interesting. Tip number two, add layers. Layers make every outfit more interesting. So instead of the jeans and the t-shirt, why don't we put a blazer over top of it? Why don't we add a scarf to it? Maybe we put a black collared shirt with a black sweater over it with black leather pants. Like layers, texture, the whole thing mixed into one. Tip number one and tip number two, join forces. Tip number three, have fun with your accessories. So shoes, bags, scarves, jewelry, all of those things add interest to a look, whether it's all black or a combination of any colors, but especially for all black. All black can be the base of your look, and then you could add a bright colored shoe or a really fun bag or a patterned scarf. Anything to kind of break up the all black and give an extra focus is a great way to make it more interesting, and it's super easy because black matches with everything. Hello. And then my last tip is to have fun with your hair and with your makeup. Maybe you're wearing all black and a bold red lip. Maybe you're wearing all black and you do something super crazy with your eyes. Or maybe you're wearing all black and you try a new and exciting hairstyle or a different hat. Something with the whole beauty situation can really pop against an all black outfit. So whenever you're putting on all black, just think about what is like one tiny thing I can do to take this to the next level, because sometimes all black can look drab and it can look lazy. And any of these tips that I just shared are easy ways to make it look like you are loaded with style. So there's the answer to your question. If you have a question for me, drop it in the comment section below. I will do everything I can to answer it here on video, or maybe I'll turn it into a really cool style series. So keep dropping those ideas in the comment sections below. If you have ideas on how to make an all black outfit more interesting, put it down there too. Let's all share. Speaking of share these videos. Share the videos. I want more people watching these videos and I want more people subscribed. So hit that little red subscribe button so you won't miss a single video, and I will catch you in the next one.